Should you prioritize paying off student loans or investing? If you throw every dollar at your loans, you might miss out on growing your money, but if you focus too much on investing, debt could drag you down. Tricky, right? Don't worry. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll share a powerful framework that reveals which of the two will make you wealthier in the long run. You've probably heard this advice before. If your student loan interest rate is 7% and the stock market gives you 11%, investing is better. The logic sure is compelling. Let's look at two people. Alan and Manny both have student loans with 6% interest. Alan pays it off in just 5 years, while Manny only makes minimum payments and invests the rest. After 20 years, Manny ends up tens of thousands of dollars richer than Alan. But if the loan rate was 13%, totally different story. Paying it off fast would save you way more than you'd make by investing. But wait, there's something even more powerful than interest rates that you might be ignoring. Let's talk about the number one thing people forget, your employer's 401k match. If your job offers to match part of what you invest, you should absolutely take it since it's basically free money. For example, if you earn $60,000 and your company matches your contribution up to 3%, that's $1,800 in free money. That match alone could grow into over $40,000 in 30 years just from 1 year of investing. Skip the match to pay off loans? You're missing out on that free $40,000. Do that for a few years and it could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in the long run. That's why even if your loans have a high interest rate, you should still grab the 401k match. It's a guaranteed 100% return. Nothing can beat that. Here's something no one talks about. Your choice affects way more than just debt or investments. Let's go back to Alan and Manny. Alan paid off his loans fast, but had no savings for a house. He had to delay buying for years. Manny still had loans, but built savings early and bought a house 2 years sooner. That gave him more equity, more confidence, and more freedom. And guess what? Feeling like you're growing your money changes how you act. You feel braver, you ask for raises, you switch to better jobs. But if you think you're buried in debt, you feel stuck. You might stay in a job you hate, pass on opportunities, or avoid helping family when they need it. Debt isn't just about dollars, it's about how you feel, and that shapes your future. So how do you figure out the best path for you? Here's a simple framework. Irrespective of the numbers, take the free money first. If your job offers a 401k match, grab it. That's priority number 1. Next, check your loan rates. If your loan rate is below 7%, it's better to invest. If it's above 7%, paying it off is likely to save you money in the long run. But this is where you and your personality come in. If you're a logical person who only cares about money, you can simply follow this rule. However, if you're emotional and believe you'll get peace of mind being debt-free sooner, then focus on paying off student loans while still investing some money. Remember, there's no one perfect answer. This is about what works for your life, not just what looks good in a spreadsheet. Whether you prioritize investing or paying off student loans, you must start investing at least some money for your future. Watch this video to learn 80% of investing in under 8 minutes.